Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you on how to cast media to available devices in Chrome on your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Chrome on your PC by launching the application and entering your desired web page. Step 2. In a tab, play music, a video, or any other media with sound. You can either stay on that tab or navigate to a different one. Step 3. To open the media controls, locate the media control icon to the right of the address bar and click on it. Step 4. A pop-up will appear. At the bottom left corner of the pop-up, you'll find the Cast to a Device option. Click on it. Step 5. Select the device you want to cast the media to from the available options. Remember, the cast icon only appears when devices are available for casting. And that's it. You have successfully learned how to cast media to available devices in Chrome on your PC. Now you can enjoy your favorite content on a bigger screen or with better audio quality. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Stay tuned for our next video.